Hello YouTube, hi friends, welcome to the circus. I am Nikki. I love colorful makeup, clownish makeup, Star Wars, hockey, specifically the Colorado Avalanche. Hello, hi, welcome. Today I played with the PowerPuff Girls X ColourPop palette. I found this on Mercari because I never got it when it originally came out, and I'm so lucky that I'm so happy that I have it. Powerpuff Girls were like my favorite thing growing up. I remember dressing as Bubbles. And so if you want to see how I did this look, if you want to join in on this circus clown parade that is this channel, that is me, please like, comment, subscribe, hate, comment, dislike, I don't know, do something. But let's get into it. I got new glasses. Not that I don't think my old ones were in any of my videos, but yeah, I got new glasses. I can finally see. 4 years without new glasses. 4 years without insurance. I got insurance. It's gonna be a good freaking year. I'm gonna be playing with the Powerpuff Girls X ColourPop collection. Well, palette. I don't have the full collection. It looks like this. So I'm going to be going first in with this shade right here called Silico, and I'm going to be putting that in the crease. I want it to be pretty light because I'm going to put the blue here too and blend that together, and then I think I'm going to put the pink here. I'm going to make sure that this isn't harsh. I don't want any harsh lines, harsh edges. I'm going to be going in with this shade right here called Rowdy Rough Boys, this blue one, and it is falling apart, oh my goodness. And I'm going to be putting that right here. I'm still going to be going in with that blue Rowdy Rough Boys color. I'm going to be putting that right here, and maybe a little bit up front too. So I'm going in with that green again because I want just a little bit more color payoff, so I'm just going over it with that. And I put just a tad bit more blue here, again, for, like I just said, more color payoff. I want this to be vibrant and fun and clownish because that's what we do here. And again, I'm putting this blue shade in the crease here. I would just like to say my blending. Put down a little bit of concealer so when I put the pink on, it will, you know, do its thing. I'm going to use one of these little lip rollers because I forgot to do that. This is, I can't even remember what the girl's names are. I think this is Buttercup. I am, like, on the verge of waking up still. But this one smells like green apple, blossom, smells like, I think it was a watermelon, and then Bubbles smells like blue raspberry, and they're like freaking amazing, and I've contemplated so many times on Mercari of like just getting like 50 of those. But I'm going to be going in with this shade right here called the Fashionistas. It's this pink shade. I'm going to be putting that on this chunk of the eye where I put the concealer. I'm going to be packing that on. Ooh. I think maybe, just maybe, I don't, let me see. I don't have like a glitter primer, so maybe I can just use this eyeshadow primer. Well, the thing is that this isn't like clear. So I don't know, I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on because I have an idea right here. Again, as you can see, it has some color to it. But I'm gonna be going in a little bit of this shade right here called Super Friends. It's glitter. I'm going to be putting that right here. And then taking that pink again and blending that out a little.
2 hours later.
Okay, hello, I'm back. Full face, everything else done. We're gonna do highlighter, blush, lip, and the under eye. These are my bestest brows, and I just want to brag about that, just like real quick. Yeah, I'm going in with this Melt cream blush in Lynx. It's more of a neutralish shade. I don't know. I feel like with this eye look, it needs something more neutral. I just love the smell of this for some odd reason. It's like just so good. I'm gonna do highlighter and then I think a lip and then end with the eye. I'm gonna do a mix of these. This is the Maybelline Master Holographic, and obviously if you've been here before, you know that this is the ColourPop Citrus Frizz Squad. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. I'm gonna start with my nose. Tap a little bit of that off. Ooh. Put a little bit of that right here. Can you see my nose? Can you see it? Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. And if you can't, then I'm doing it wrong. I want to be glowing. And like I said, I'm going to be going in with a little bit of this, which is absolutely falling apart. But again, I want to blind people. And by people, I mean my family when I go downstairs to eat. Because I don't like going out in public. I am going to go back in with this one again, and I'm going to be putting a little bit of that right here. I'm going to be going in with the Unearthly Cosmetics Dreamy. This is from the Valentine's Day mystery box. I'm going to put a little bit of the Delight one too. Take a little bit of that right here. And I think I'm going to put some sparkle on it. So I am going to be going in with this palette. And I'm going to be putting a little bit of the shade The Mayor on. Okay, so I'm fixing the lip because I think it needed a little bit of color. I'm going in with this shade right here called Girls Rock. I have it on this rougher brush. And I'm just sort of blending it in. Which I know what you're thinking. All that work and for what? Because I'm extra. That's why. I think I'm not going to do anything on the under, and I'm like hating it, but I don't think it'll look as good as it does right now. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Professor Utonium, and I'm going to put that on, or in, the inner corner. And this is the completed look. I love it, as per usual with anything that I do. Is that sort of egotistical? A little, yes. Do I care? No. But thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to my channel, and I hope to see your lovely face again.